In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all videos on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the photo apps redesigned on your iPhone, then you need a way that you can use to maneuver your way and quickly access things on your device. So here basically, you'll learn how to see all your videos on iPhone on iOS 18. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do, we want to see all videos you have on your iPhone on iOS 18 is open the Photos app. Once you open it, click on all and then keep scrolling down until you see this new photos interface. Now to see your videos, all the videos you have on your iPhone, all you need to do is scroll down to media type and then click on that. Then under media type, you will see videos, selfie, live photos, portrait, screenshot, and raw. Now click on videos. Then you should see all the videos you have on your iPhone. Here you can see I have 4 videos on my iPhone. You see that? So these are the videos I have on my iPhone, and it's total of 4 videos. Then if you swipe like this, you'll see movies here like that. That's the movie created by iPhone on iOS 18. So this is how you can easily see all videos on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.